Qwen just released one of its biggest AI models as open-weight. And now you can actually use Qwen 3.8 for free through OpenRouter. No expensive GPU setup, no need to download a massive model, and you can use it directly through an API. So in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to get access and test it. Yesterday, Alibaba's Qwen team released the open-weight version of Qwen 3.8. We are talking about a massive 2.4 trillion parameters model with around 95 billion active parameters and a 1 million context window. And what's even more interesting is that TokenRouter has now announced free access to Qwen through its platform. So let's test it. So open a browser and search for TokenRouter.com website. So we will have the interface and the website of TokenRouter. It will load just. So as you can see, a pop-up appeared that free tier up to 60% off, DeepSeek version 4 Pro free, Qwen 3.8 Max is free live now, and KMK 360% off. So let's close this pop-up and let's create our account. So let's press this sign in because I already created my account. So I will just confirm and use my credentials to log in. So I have logged in successfully. So another pop-up appeared that get free credits and TokenRouter like this. Okay, take it now, or 20% eligible TokenRouter like this. So let's once close it and just come here and the balance, total tokens, successful request, that's it. Come here to the models. And after coming to the models, you can see Qwen 3.8 Max free. Look at 0 input and 0 output base. That means we can use it for free. This one is free. So let's use this one. Okay, first of all, we need an API key. Then we will use an agent to use and access this Qwen 3.8 Max. So the agent that I would like to use, that is Kilo Code. You can use anyone you want, but I will prefer and use Kilo Code. So I will open VS Code editor because Kilo Code has an extension. So I have installed that extension and I will use that. I will open a new folder, like the new folder would be like testing. So let's close this and I will delete all these files, my previous files. Okay, if you didn't install, come here to the marketplace and search here for Kilo Code. So you can find the Kilo Code. Look at this is the extension, so you can install it. So come here down. Now we would like to create connection with TokenRouter. So to create connection, for that we need the API key and the base URL. So for the API key, we will come here to the API key and we will create a new one. So I already have one, but I would like to delete this one. This might be expired. Let's delete this one. And let's create a new one, new API key. Let's just assign a name that is for Qwen 3. That's it. You can set others. Let's submit it. So we have created our API key. Come here back here to the Kilo Code and come here to the setting of Kilo Code. After coming to the setting, come here to the providers. And in the providers, we have connection with Nara router. Let's delete this connection. And we will create a new connection with, disconnect that. So here we have the list of popular API provider, but we will move with this custom provider. Okay, custom provider, press this connect button at the right side. And here we will assign a name, token, simply like token, and TokenRouter. The display name is TokenRouter. And OpenAI compatible, select here OpenAI compatible and base URL. So let's copy the base URL. Here, whenever you create your base URL, so you will have here the base URL also. Look at this is our base URL. Copy this and paste it here. Now come here to the API key. So for the API key, come here back and we will copy our API key also. Yeah, that has been copied and let's paste it here. So after that, now we will have the list of all models listed, but we will deselect all of them and just find Qwen 3.8 Max. Search for Qwen. So here we will find Qwen 3.8 Max free. Let's go down and we will find, look at Qwen 3.8 Max free. Select this. We want to add just this one model. Add this. So that has been added here. You can see this is the ID and the display name. Like check reasoning also, and if you want work with image, so you can select image also. So let's submit it. Yeah, the connection has been created. Token router connected. Let's close the setting. Come here back. This is the token router. Okay, so here now we will select our Qwen 3.8 max. Come here and we will move to the, let's close this also, and come here token router provider and Qwen 3.8 max. Select this model. After selecting that, here we can move to the coding, to the ask, the debug, and plan which model you want. So first of all, I will come to the ask mode. In ask mode, I will ask from this. This is my first question. Explain what makes Qwen 3.8 different from previous Qwen models and where it is most useful for developers. Press this button and let's check the configuration. Is it's configured successfully or not? Yeah, that's it. Reasoning, you can see now. It will just fetch the response and display to us. Yeah, Qwen 3.8, you can see this is the response. You can read all about this versus previous Qwen generation. Qwen 3.8 released August 2026, like this. All details are listed here. Okay, that's it, all about this. You can look at even the chart. You can see this developer use case. This is the response of Qwen 3.8 max, but let's use a prompt to generate a developer portfolio website, and we will see the capabilities with my previous videos also. So this is my prompt. Build a modern and responsive landing page for an AI developer tool using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Include a hero section, feature cards, pricing section, dark mode, smooth animation, and a responsive mobile app. Put everything into a single HTML file. Press the, oh sorry, I should move to the coding plan. Yeah, just come here to the coding and paste back this and press now. Okay, change mode to the coding mode. So now it will generate our HTML file with the developer portfolio website. That's it. Let's wait a second. So it has completed its tasks. Let's open the index.html file. As you can see, this file has been generated. Let's right click, open in integrated browser. So you can see this is the developer portfolio and dark mode and light mode, and you can see the animation, start pre-tile, and this is just coding, features, cards. So pricing section and ready to build and developer. So let's make it like smaller, okay, like this, and even we can check this for mobile. Let's check it for mobile. So for mobile, it will looks like this. As you can see, all cards, everything, menu, dark mode, light mode. So this was the capability that I just tested for simple prompts. So you can use this Qwen 3.8 Max for free now through TokenRouter. So now one thing important before you go, when a platform says free, always check the current limits. Free access can mean limited requests, limited tokens, a temporary promotion, or rate limits. So don't assume that this means unlimited Qwen 3.8 usage forever. I'll show you the current limits on screen so you can see exactly what TokenRouter is offering at the time. So that's Qwen 3.8 through TokenRouter. Qwen has opened up the wait, and now developers have another way to experiment this massive model without having to build their own infrastructure. And if you are interested in free AI models, APIs and coding tools, definitely subscribe because I am constantly testing these new releases and looking for the ones you can actually use for free. I'll put the TokenRouter link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.